Hey everybody, today I will be doing another one of Dunkin' Donuts summer lineup, and today it's going to be and these are the ingredients. My Simply lemonade. You can use any type of lemonade though. They say either club soda or sparkling water. If you seen that one when I did get it, but it was 0 sugar, and I tried it. I didn't too much like the other taste, and then yeah, the video didn't come out how I wanted it to, so I'm gonna do it again. And this time I actually got Sprite. Now this is lemon lime. I was just trying to look for the lemon. I didn't see that. I seen the 0 sugar and I was like, but that was also lemon lime. And then the ones that was straight Sprite, they was in the pack and I didn't need all that. So yeah, I'm gonna use the lemon lime, y'all. This got the little bubbly. But if you want to use sparkling water, stick to that, or the club soda, go right ahead. I didn't know. We're gonna need strawberry. I got my packet of strawberry, a little salt, just some additional strawberry sauce. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'm gonna get started. All right, this is the cup I will be using. I just want to take the strawberry sauce and line it down like the inside of it. This is how I look on the inside. Now I'm gonna put some on around top part. I'm gonna use my brush, but if you want to stick to the spoon, you can. Alright, this is how I look. I'm not done. I'll show you what else I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take some of the packet of strawberry, a little bit in here. Yeah, you know where I'm headed if you watch my channel. Go ahead and get, yeah. That's y'all. I make my drink real quick. Alright, first you gotta taste a little bit. Cause you just got to. Inside this cup, because I'm going to shake up everything. Put some soda in here, no measurement, just put some in there. Alright, I'm going to just take the rest of my powder. 2 tablespoons of the strawberry powder. My tongue tied. Let me put my ice in here, y'all. Shh. Let me put my ice in here, y'all. Now you can make noise. I like this lemonade. I pretty much like all lemonades, but I definitely like this. I haven't had it in a while, but I like it though. I had pour a little bit in here. For my soda. And I'm going to pour some more of that regular Sprite by itself. Top it off with a lemon, and I don't have any of that, so it is what it is. Or even if you have like real strawberries, you can, yeah, don't have it. And don't need it either. Now, it do look pretty. However, theirs is actually a light pink. I should have used the strawberry that I used. That's the one I should have used. Because that was the light pink that I need. But it is what it is. It's still strawberry, it's still lemonade, it's still sparkling. Let me see if it's going to refresh me. This definitely is refreshing. You taste the strawberry, the lemonade, and then you taste like a little bit of acidity. Not as much because I diluted it with the strawberry and the lemonade. But yeah, still taste it. It's good though. And then on this ice, gotta have that. Now, if you watch my channel, if you ask me, you already know what I'm gonna say, baby. Well, you should. It's the iced coffees for me. Because I love them. This is still good though. This is hot. This is up there. And you should make this. I would give this a 9.5. Still, make this. It's waiting for you. The recipe. Have a blessed day.